Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. It's springtime, everyone's planting flowers right now. One of the most important steps that you can take though when planting your seasonal color is going to actually be your bed prep. It's very important for you to remember that the same type of soil that your flowers need to grow in is not the same type of soil that like your landscaping or your grass or any of the other parts of your lawn need to grow in. Make sure that you're getting a very fine type soil, a potting soil if you will, and you need to have like some sand, something that's going to allow it to drain really well, because we don't want these flowers to be sitting inside of a wet dirt the entire time. You'll get root rot, they won't bloom as well, you're not going to get nearly as colorful of a show, which is the whole purpose of planting the flowers to begin with. So anyway, just remember that as you get out and either have it done or do it yourself, remember that the soil prep and the bed prep, getting everything prepared, is going to be the basis for having big, full, beautiful flowers the rest of the summer. Hope that helps. If you got any questions, let us know.